Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set and show 3-button navigation in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to show 3-button navigation, you want to set 3-button navigation in your Tecno mobile. So friends, now let's see how to show and on 3-button navigation on screen. And friends, you want to remove your gesture settings, you don't want to use Tecno mobile gesture navigation settings. So how to remove gesture setting and how to show 3-button navigation on screen. First of all, open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting, friends, scroll down here. Open your phone system setting. After turn on system setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your mobile. Friends, in your mobile language setting you want to use, so you can use date and time setting, you can use system navigation. We will select here second option, 3-button navigation you want to show, you want to on Tecno mobile 3-button navigation setting, so you can on from here. Tap here 3-button navigation. After 4 and 5 seconds, 3-button navigation will show, and friends, you can see gesture tutorial setting will remove. Right side swipe, left side swipe, you cannot use your gesture settings. Back button, home button, menu button, if you tap here, so you can check your recent app, you can close and you can on your recent app in your mobile. Again, if you click here friends, gesture settings, so friends, you can see button navigation will remove. Gesture tutorial, how to use, you can take trial. 3-button navigation you want to use, tap here, you can set your 3-button navigation, you can show 3-button navigation in your Tecno mobile. More setting, if you click here, so friends, voice assistant setting you want to activate, you can on your voice assistant setting and you can activate your voice assistant. First you will have to connect Wi-Fi. And friends, you can see button layout, you want to change your button layout, so you can change your button layout. I hope friends you understood how to use 3-button navigation, how to set 3-button navigation in Tecno mobile, and how to remove gesture settings. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.